So guys, in this video we'll be doing a quick unboxing of a router which I've received from my provider. So my provider currently is TalkTalk, which I'll be changing soon when my contract expires. But I've been with them for some time and they've sent me this router because I was having troubles with my internet connection and my Wi-Fi connection. So they assumed that it might be the router's fault, so they'd send me this router. So I'm going to do a quick unboxing. So first of all, when you open up the box, it comes with a returns label and a plastic bag. So let's keep that at the side, and on the top it gives you the contents in the box. Very self-explanatory. If you get the router, it's very simple that you can set it up by following the steps over here. Let's get into the box. Very well packaged, and here we have the microfilter, and that's for the telephone jack. Here we have a Ethernet cable, we have our plug, and that is the router. Let me tell you that the router itself feels to be, it's all plastic, and it's got this copper colored golden mesh inside. I'm not sure if you guys can see. It's got this stand which is it's spring loaded, and then you have 4 Ethernet points over here and 1 WAN point over here. You have a power point, your power button, your WPS button, and your broadband, and here you have your Wi-Fi card. Right, you can take this off and then you can basically use it wherever you want to. And itself, the router feels to be slightly heavy in its build quality and design. It's quite big. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to test it against my TP-Link router which I have and see if there is any difference in the speed. So guys, just to show you, at the moment the router which I have connected is a TP-Link VR900. So the VR900 is the second from the top, and it's an ADSL router. So this is my router configuration at the moment, and it's connected, as you can see. So here we have the speed test page, and I'm just going to run a speed test. And the upload speed we'll just see in a second, which is 18.1. Now what I'm going to do is, we have tested our VR900 TP-Link router which I purchased from my own pocket, and I fitted it in because I was having so many troubles with the router sent by the company. So now I'm going to install their router and see if it really makes a difference. So I'm just going to show you that, guys. I'm connected to my TalkTalk, the router which came from the company. Do the same Google speed test. So guys, the speed test has been done with the TalkTalk router. The speed is 68.4 megabits per second, download latency is 6 milliseconds, and the upload is 12.8 Mbps. Now if I were to compare my Archer, which is the 6 millisecond latency as well, so both have got 6 millisecond latency. It is saying very fast and the sync fast, but I'm assuming that my old router was connected to too many devices, and it was constantly it's like the security camera, the heating system, and so on. So that might be a case that the speed is showing up as less. But in terms of the test itself, yes, this doesn't have anything connected, and it's saying at 68.4 at 12.8, whereas the TP-Link is showing me as 40.6 and 18.11, more of upload speed, less of download speed. So I would conclude this test as not very fair, because I have a lot of stuff connected to my TP-Link router, and on the TalkTalk router, which is giving me a 68.4. It's technically more faster, but as I said, I really won't say that the TalkTalk router is better than the TP-Link router, because from personal experience I've seen that the routers provided by the companies are usually of poor quality and they do not perform that well. So this is my personal opinion, and I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting other videos of different tech stuff. So catch you in my next video then. Bye for now.